Hello there and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at compound words, and that is to match words to make compound words. So let's dive in. In this vocabulary practice exercise, students match words to make common compound words. The following slide is practice exercise 1. Compound words. Practice 1. Draw a line from column A to make compound words in column B. Number 1, every. 2, good. 3, some. 4, base. 5, out. And 6, grant. Column B. A1, B, side, C, mother, D, by, E, thing, F, ball. Number 1, answer is letter E, everything. Number 2, good, letter D, good, by. Number 3, some, answer is A1, someone. Number 4, base, answer is base plus ball equals baseball. And number 5, out, letter B, which is side. Out plus side equals outside. And number 6, grant plus letter C, mother. Grant plus mother equals grandmother. The next slide is practice exercise 2. Compound words practice 2. Draw a line to make compound words from column A to its column B. 1, blue. 2, star. 3, sun. 4, bath. 5, sand. 6, sail. A, fish. B, box. C, tub. D, bird. E, boat. F, set. Number 1, blue plus bird, letter D, equals blue bird. Number 2, star, letter A, fish. Star plus fish equals starfish. Number 3, sun equals set, or sun plus set equals sunset. Number 4, bath plus letter C, which is tub. Bath plus tub equals bathtub. Number 5, sand plus, answer is letter B, box. Sand plus box equals sandbox. And number 6, sail plus letter E, boat. Sail plus boat equals sailboat. The following slide is practice exercise 3. Compound words practice exercise 3. Draw a line to make compound words from column A to its column B. Number 1, flag. 2, tea. 3, back. 4, play. 5, foot. 6, fire. A, cup. B, pole. C, ball. D, pen, E, place, and F is pack. Number 1, flag plus letter B, which is pole, equals flag pole. Number 2, T plus letter A, which is cup, becomes tea cup. Number 3, back equals back plus letter F, pack, equals backpack. Number 4, play plus answer letter D, pen. Play plus pen equals play pen. And number 5, foot plus letter C, which is ball, football. And number 6, fire plus letter E, which is place, equals fireplace. We're heading now to the last words practice exercise 4. Draw a line to make compound words from column A to its column B. Number 1, snow. 2, cross. 3, eye. 4, bed. 5, sun. 6, gold. A, room. B, fish. C, shine. D, ball. E, man. F, walk. Number 1, snow plus man equals snowman. Number 2, cross plus letter F, which is walk, equals crosswalk. Number 3, eye plus ball, letter D, equals eyeball. Number 4, bed plus letter A, which is room, equals bedroom. Number 5, sun plus letter C, shine, equals sunshine. And last item, gold plus letter B, which is fish, equals goldfish. So there you go, guys. That's the end of this video about compound words. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please do share, subscribe, like, and let me know your thoughts and questions. Love to hear from you. Good luck and thanks for watching.